Your pretty eyes make me smile, and your little face.
Sometimes I find your eyes hard to read, hard to see. Tonight my mind races over sunshine at night. I find your lights hard to read, hard to see. Told me tonight I can't be without you now. I feel it's alright. Don't call me again. Don't wanna know. It's just sometimes I find your eyes hard to read, hard to see. Tonight my mind races over everything. I feel sunshine at night. I find your lights hard to read, hard to see.
Hi guys, so before we move on, I would like to thank Unacademy for sponsoring this video. Unacademy is having offers on their batches till 30th November 2021 for both NEET UG Plus and NEET UG Iconic batches. Here is the price tag if you are planning to purchase Unacademy's batches. Prices for these batches are going to hike after 30th November. You can also use my code PHILO15 to get a 10% off. Or you can simply click on the link given in the description box. Unacademy is starting the ACE Team batch for NEET 2022, which is going to start on 24th November 2021. Also, a rapid revision for Class 11 for NEET 2023, which is also starting on 24th November. Unacademy is also conducting Unacademy Intelligence Quest, which has topic-wise DPPs. There will be 30 minutes for 30 questions. This will help in your preparation for NEET 22 and 23. This will be conducted from every Monday to Thursday at 7 pm. You can enroll for free for Unacademy Intelligence Quest. Now, Unacademy is also having a feature of Ask a Doubt. Here, you can ask unlimited doubts at any time. You will get high quality video solutions in English as well as in Hindi and receive exact matches for your questions. You will be provided instant and accurate solution to your doubts. Unacademy is also conducting mega mock test for CBSE Term 1 board exam, where you can win prizes and scholarship worth 50 lakhs. This will be conducted from 27th November to 30th November. Here is the date sheet for mock test. You can enroll for free by using my code PHILO15.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue, that's when I do. That's when I do. I guess the truth truth is, I can't leave memories behind.